Hey everybody, this is Deb where I'm going to be doing a video that explains how to make changes, how to edit your video in YouTube right from your phone. So the first thing we want to do is go to YouTube on our phone. So it brings you up to your home page. Go to your channel page just by clicking up at the top on your icon, selecting your channel, and you'll see your channel. Now, I typically will go to videos across the top here, and this gives you a complete list of all the videos that you have created and uploaded. So we're just going to go ahead and select the top one.
Buddy, it's me, Deb. In this video,
Oops.
we're going
I do this every time. So we don't want to select the video, but just to the right of the video, if you look at the title, How to Unsave a Pinterest Pin, there are 3 little dots. You want to select those 3 little dots. And when you do, this menu will pop up that says Save to Watch Later, Save to Playlist, Edit, and you can also share this video with someone. So one change you can make is saving to a playlist. So these are all my playlists, and I can add them to different playlists or change it up or whatever. That's one way to make a change. Okay, I'm going to select it again or select Edit. And in this function, you can change your title. You can change your description. You can change the visibility, whether you want it public or now maybe you want it private. The audience, the location, maybe you forgot to put it in, you can put it in. The playlist, this is another spot to add your playlist. And then you have your tags. So you can add a tag. We'll just add one. Add it in there, and then you hit save. And voila, it's done. That's how you edit. Now you can't go in and per se edit the actual video, but you can edit your title, description, and tags and things of that sort. So if you found this video helpful for you, please smash that like button. The YouTube gods love it when we do that. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel for more content on how to YouTube, Pinterest, Canva, and so much more.